Are you struggling to make a vacation destination decision? Are you seeking a place with breathtaking natural scenery that is not overcrowded with tourists? Do you prefer a location where a passport and vaccinations are not required? If you gaze up at the night sky, you may spot a few such places. However, to reach them, you'll require a speedy rocket and enough supplies, including food, water, and air, for a journey that may last months or even years. Caloris Basin, Mercury. Roughly 4 billion years back, the inner solar system underwent a process of clearing the remaining debris resulting from its formation. This time, commonly referred to as the Late Heavy Bombardment, saw a giant asteroid, akin to the ones that formed the Moon's seas, collide with Mercury, leading to the creation of the Caloris Basin. With a diameter of 1,550 kilometers, 960 miles, it is one of the most significant features of its kind in the solar system. The basin's interior is marked by towering ridges and deep fractures that extend outward from the center. It is encircled by the tallest mountains on Mercury, rising to a height of 3 kilometers, 2 miles above the plains, and numerous lava vents indicating a period of active volcanism. Be sure to pack your sunscreen, as you'll receive about 7 times the amount of sunlight as on Earth due to the planet's proximity to the Sun. Apollo 11 landing site, Sea of Tranquility, Moon. The solar system offers more than just barren craters and awe-inspiring landscapes. Humanity has also left its mark scattered throughout the planets and interplanetary space. If you had to choose one historical site to explore, the Apollo 11 landing site in the Sea of Tranquility on the Moon is a must-visit. It was on this spot, on July 20, 1969, that Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to set foot on another celestial body. You will be able to witness the lower portion of the lunar module Eagle. However, watch your step as the footprints, including those of Armstrong and Aldrin, will last for millions of years to come. Valles Marineris, Mars. The Grand Canyon in Arizona is undeniably awe-inspiring, measuring 450 kilometers, 280 miles in length and approximately 2 kilometers, 1 mile in depth. Nevertheless, when compared to the Valles Marineris Canyon system on Mars, it is just a small trench. Valles Marineris was discovered in 1971 by Mariner 9, and it spans 4,000 kilometers, 2,500 miles across the planet. The typical canyons are 200 kilometers, 125 miles wide, with walls that are 2 to 5 kilometers, 1 to 3 miles deep. The center of the canyon system is a depression measuring 600 kilometers, 375 miles in width and 9 kilometers, 5.6 miles in depth. It has been speculated that Valles Marineris could be a fault system that divides 2 continental plates. If this is the case, Mars and Earth would be the only planets whose surfaces are formed by plate tectonics. Olympus Mons, Mars. Olympus Mons holds the title of being the biggest volcano in the solar system, spanning 700 kilometers, 435 miles in diameter and soaring 22 kilometers, 14 miles, above the Tharsis plain that surrounds it. Its edge is a towering cliff standing at 10 kilometers, 6 miles high, with a gentle slope leading towards the central craters, which are 85 kilometers, 53 miles in width. In comparison, the largest volcano on Earth, Mauna Loa in Hawaii, measures 120 kilometers, 75 miles across and 9 kilometers, 6 miles high, with a substantial part of it hidden below the ocean floor. Great Red Spot, Jupiter. Jupiter's Great Red Spot, a massive red oval storm twice as wide as Earth, is the largest surface feature on the planet. It has been under continuous observation since 1878 and exhibits no signs of diminishing. The entire system rotates every 7 days, with winds at the periphery reaching 400 kilometers, 250 miles per hour. It floats above Jupiter's primary cloud layers, and its depth into the planet's interior remains unknown. The spot's hue occasionally alters from orange-red to gray, resulting from its concealment beneath white clouds at higher elevations. The source of the red coloration remains a mystery, with theories ranging from sulfur and phosphorus compounds to organic substances such as carbon compounds created by lightning, or chemical reactions with sunlight. Io. Jupiter possesses 4 large moons known as the Galilean satellites, which were identified by the Italian astronomer Galileo in 1610. Being the closest to Jupiter, Io experiences tidal effects that compress the Moon like a rubber ball, causing its interior to heat up. This results in remarkable volcanic eruptions of silicate lava. Io's volcanoes were first discovered by the American spacecraft Voyager 1 in 1979, making it the first extraterrestrial body beyond Earth with observed active volcanoes. These eruptions are so frequent that Io's surface is completely renewed every few millennia. The surface of the Moon has orange, white, and yellow blotches resulting from sulfur and sulfur compounds. Europa. Europa is one of Jupiter's four largest moons, which were discovered by Galileo and hence called the Galilean satellites. It is unique among them because its surface is covered in ice, and it appears relatively smooth with few impact craters, suggesting it is relatively young. The youthfulness of the surface indicates that resurfacing may be an ongoing process on Europa. However, what lies beneath this ice sheet is what fascinates scientists the most. There could be a subsurface ocean of liquid water, estimated to be about 150 kilometers, 95 miles, deep, which may provide a suitable environment for life to exist. This ocean may be heated by tidal flexure caused by Jupiter's gravitational pull, which could make it habitable. If the cracks observed on Europa's surface are parts of a thinner crust, it could be possible to send a submarine probe to melt its way through the ice and explore the hidden waters of the subsurface ocean. Saturn's rings. Saturn's rings are among the most remarkable features of any planet in the solar system. Despite stretching for a diameter of 270,000 kilometers, 170,000 miles, they are incredibly thin, measuring only 100 meters, 330 feet, in thickness. Composed of countless particles of rock and dust, the rings lie within the Roche limit, which is the radius at which Saturn's enormous tidal forces would rip apart a large moon. These same forces keep the particles of the rings from clumping together into a single body. South Polar Geysers, Enceladus. Enceladus, Saturn's brightest moon, is covered with a smooth, nearly featureless layer of ice. However, the Tiger Stripe region at its south pole contains several ridges, from which massive geysers of water erupt and extend thousands of kilometers into space, forming one of Saturn's rings. These geysers are likely originating from a subsurface ocean of liquid water under the icy crust. The presence of water and energy on Enceladus raises the possibility of life. Hawaii. After exploring the wonders of our solar system, ranging from the towering cliffs of Valles Marineris to the icy geysers of Enceladus to the raging storm of the Great Red Spot, you may desire a destination with a comfortable atmosphere and abundant liquid water on the surface. Fortunately, Earth is rich with such magnificent places, including the volcanic island chain of Hawaii situated in the middle of the largest ocean on the planet, the Pacific. Although the volcanoes are not as massive as Olympus Mons and not as frequent as those on Io, they are conveniently located near paved roads, upscale accommodations, excellent dining options, and breathtaking beaches. Wishing you an enjoyable journey. Exploring our solar system is a fascinating and ongoing journey that has provided us with incredible insights into the origins and diversity of celestial bodies. From the towering volcano Olympus Mons on Mars to the icy geysers of Enceladus and the majestic rings of Saturn, the solar system never ceases to amaze us. It is also a reminder that we live on a unique planet, Earth, with a breathable atmosphere and abundant surface water, making it the perfect place for life to thrive. As we continue to study and explore the wonders of our solar system, we deepen our understanding of the universe and our place in it.